So the purpose of this experiment was to try and find out where the leak was in the boat, and I thought maybe by filling it up with water, and you may not be able to see that the engine bay is full of water. But here's the leak. It's coming from the cooling system. It would appear a line coming out of the engine is where it's leaking. So let's see if we can get a really good eyeball on where. You can even hear it dripping. It's quite significant too. Look at that. Well, that means it can't sit in the water unless the bilge pump's working well.